Welcome to jayasreekadaikatha. Today we'll be talking more on fried rice and we'll be making the fried rice with broccoli, corn, Indian corn, not American corn, which is grown in India, and we'll be talking about how healthy it is and we'll be making complete procedure. We'll show you the complete procedure how we are doing it. So sit tight. I will chop all the onions, chop the ginger very finely. See this way. Then we'll press the garlic from the knife and chop it very finely in this manner. See, you have to hold one side and do it like this. Take a wok or kadai, put the onion, garlic, broccoli and stir. Put little salt to taste, some pepper, the spice you require, ajinomoto, little bit and stir for some more time. Here broccoli we did not boil. We have taken corn. Broccoli if you boil, no, the color will completely go and it is very tender vegetable. So will not be boiling. So we have put it everything. I've added the rice and stir now. Ensuring that it doesn't break or don't mash the rice excessively. Put little spring onion on top. Then slowly, delicately stir. My fried rice is ready. We'll be eating with chili chicken. The chili chicken recipe will come next. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's meet again in the next episode with making chili chicken. Bye bye for now.